I think you're calm, let's hear that. I think you're calm.
Yo, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Richard! Oh my god. Wow.
I have one HP.
Wait, if you get killed by a headsman. Oh my.
You all went down, what the fuck?
Yeah, fall damage and the explosion.
Yeah, there's a henchman.
I got 2 medkits too.
What the fuck?
Oh, Richard's doing it.
Make it easy to choose. You gotta be touch, I can't refuse.
Oh shit, Ung's not joking.
I'm not joking, it actually is a player team. Oh my god.
Fuck, still shooting at me? Really?
They're all hiding now.
Yeah, they're hiding down there. Coming up, I see them
Coming up underneath you.
I hit him once with the shield, Richard, with the helicopter. Again, I hit him again with the helicopter. I got him.
Oh shit.
I knocked myself though, I'm on the ground. Sam, come get me
I got
please.
exploded too.
Jump and build, sorry. But I knocked one. One's knocked somewhere if you can find him. Just heal me, it's like
Fucking stupid.
One come back. No. Richard needs help.
You fucking idiot.
I only have 55. Sorry.
Never mind, he got him.
Beach.
I got many.
I think it was just close though.
It was the squad.
there.
I thought. How many did you get?
I got one. I think you need to hide, man.
Fuck's sake. Fuck off! Richard, he's fucking low, 1 shot. Bro, I'm not joking. Oh my god. That guy right here, bro. Oh my god.
Put in the heels.
Oh, there we go.
I got one.
Let's fetch that bitch.
Can't he's at the top.
Yeah, that's the
I'm
guy,
not
man.
Get him!
Literally.
No,
Got all my
I need the
shit
heals.
now. Fuck's sake. My fucking purple scar, fucking purple tech.
Do you have Ung's card?
No, because it's.
No.
I can revive him right there.
Get his card,
Where is it?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, come in here. Oh. Are you running that way? Okay. Someone's above me. In this building. Oh, yeah, right in front of me. Oh.
I got no healing, I just gotta keep running.
Look like I'm gonna fucking die in a storm or what? Fuck's sake.
I'm gonna die in the zone too. It's bullshit.
The storm's taking so much damage. What the fuck?
It's fucked, man.
Yeah, I'm dead. Richard. Fuck you.
I've got 2 bandages, bro.
What the fuck?
Oh shit.
That was so bullshit, the storm.
I'd play kill that game.
Damn, I got none.
Oh, that's what.
Ow.
Fucking low, bro.
Yeah.
Yes. Fucking hell, Richard. Make it.
Oh shit.
Ah. You got 20 seconds.
Oh, 47 damage he took, Richard. That guy took 47 flesh damage. That fell. That one that fell. Yeah. One fell and took 47. We can see it, although I don't know if you can probably.
Man, I wish I
Kinda got a cat gun. Right next to you, that guy's right next to you. Yeah. He took 47 flesh though.
But just kill that guy and grab his material. He's low, he's white. Yes, kill him.
Scan him so you know where that guy is too. Oh, you should say
Ah.
no for a bit. He had no materials anyway. And there's the other teammate
Got
anyway.
500. You didn't grab anything, bro. There's still got material down there.
Oh, I should tell you RPG.
These bots?
You slid all the way down.
I don't know, but I wouldn't risk it as well. The actual players that built shit. But he's just probably
Yeah,
a shitty
boy.
player, you know?
2 game in a row.
Right.
67 notification. Oh. Are we playing anymore or that's it?
I'm fucking done, bro.
Sam's done. And Sam was like, we're tired as.
Can we do those crate things?
Just destroyed the only bin you could have been hiding in.
Oh fuck. That was me.
What?
That was me.
Oh
Yeah,
my
my grapple didn't
god.
reach and I was falling. I was like, oh no.
Accidentally edited it. Oh. Skybase maybe?
We should joke about looking at the video, bro.
It was in the storm somewhere.
Great content.
You know that your eyes are